In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist Nordvpn. Whether you're new to VPNs or just looking to refine your setup, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have mastered how to navigate Nordvpn settings to whitelist specific applications or websites, helping you manage your internet privacy with ease. To begin, you'll need to open your Nordvpn app. If you haven't installed it yet, head to the Nordvpn website and download the application suited for your device. Once downloaded and installed, open the app and log in with your credentials. Hopefully, you've memorized or securely stored your password for easy access. With the app open, you will find yourself on the dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you can connect to various VPN servers, ensuring your connection is secure and private. Now, moving forward, locate the Settings tab. Depending on your device, it might be represented by a gear icon or simply labeled as Settings. This section allows you to customize your VPN experience, providing options for everything from security protocols to advanced features. Once you click on Settings, you'll be presented with various options. One of those options is split tunneling. This is the feature we want to explore. Split tunneling allows you to dictate precisely which applications or websites will bypass the secure VPN connection and access the internet directly. This can be particularly useful if you want specific services to operate at full speed while keeping others secure. Inside the split tunneling menu, you'll see a list of all your installed applications. This is where you can fine-tune your settings to suit your needs. For instance, if you want your web browser to bypass the VPN for certain activities, but want to keep applications like your torrent software under the VPN, you can allocate this within split tunneling. Simply locate the application you wish to whitelist and toggle the split tunneling switch next to it. As a tip, carefully consider which applications you choose to whitelist, as these will not benefit from the enhanced privacy that a VPN provides. After tweaking your settings to your satisfaction, take a moment to review your choices. Remember that these settings can often be adjusted, so feel free to return and modify them as your needs change. By utilizing split tunneling effectively, you achieve a balance between security and performance, optimizing your VPN usage for your unique situation. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to whitelist Nordvpn. With these skills, you now have greater control over your VPN connection, tailoring your internet privacy to fit your specific needs. Thank you for tuning in, and happy browsing.